Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the Wi-Fi network in the Tuya app using an iPhone. Let's get started. Tuya device cannot directly switch to a new Wi-Fi. You must remove the device and reconnect it to a new Wi-Fi. This is normal for devices that use the Tuya systems. Now unlock your iPhone and open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the new Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is turned on. The home screen, tap the smart device that needs Wi-Fi. Change, tap the pencil icon or three dot in the top right corner, tap remove device or delete device. Confirm the removal. Now reset the physical device. Turn it off and on repeatedly or hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. Wait until the light blinks rapidly. This means it's ready to connect. Now go back to the Tuya app. Once you are on your home screen, tap the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on add device. Choose the correct device type. When asked, select your Wi-Fi network. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Make sure it's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, not 5 GHz. The password is correct. Then tap next. Wait for the app to connect the device. Once successful, tap done, and that's it. Now your device is connected to new Wi-Fi. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.